Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you enjoy this video. For today, we're going to cook creamy chicken curry. This dish is good for 5 persons. The complete list of ingredients and procedures can be seen at the end of the video, so please keep watching! We use quarter leg, but you can use any part of the chicken. The potatoes and carrots must be chopped. The onion, garlic, and ginger must be chopped. Green finger pepper, curry powder, and ginataang gulay. You can use 1 sachet of ginataang gulay, but for us, we use 2 sachets of ginataang gulay for creamier and thicker sauce. Fresh coconut milk is better, but since we don't have it, we just use ginataang gulay. Put the chicken in the pot. Pour the water. Heat the pot and cook in medium heat. Add the coconut milk. We dissolve ginataang gulay powder to 1 cup of water. So 1 sachet per 1 cup of water. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger. Let's wait for it to boil. When it's already boiling, add the salt. The amount of salt varies depending on your taste preference, so adjust accordingly. Add the curry powder and then mix. Add the pepper, add the sugar. You can add or reduce the amount of sugar depending on your taste preference. For us, we prefer the salty and sweetness flavor of chicken curry. Simmer for 25 minutes or until the sauce thickens. After 25 minutes, the sauce is already creamy. Add the carrots. Simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the potato. Simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the green finger pepper. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Always make it a habit to taste the food that you're cooking, so you can check if you still need to add salt and other condiments. There it is, creamy chicken curry. Easy, simple, healthy, and delicious. Try it now! Happy eating! Shout out to Mariandi. Feel free to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos!